Hey, let's get started. Google Analytics is a free tool from Google that can be used to monitor visitor behavior on your website. By using Google Analytics, you can gain valuable metrics such as where your visitors are coming from, how long they are staying on your website, which pages they go to and leave from, and much more useful information that can be used to optimize your website. Go to analytics.google.com and click on Sign in to Analytics. Click on Create Account. Enter a name for your account and then click on Next. Enter the name of your website, ensure your time zone and location is set correctly, and then click on Show Advanced Options. Add your website URL and click on Next. Select your industry category from the drop-down box, choose your business size, and select what you would like to measure. Click on Create and agree to the terms of service by clicking on I accept. Click on the section named Global Site Tag. Copy the code shown and then log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Hover over All-in-One SEO in the left menu and then click on General Settings. Select the tab named Webmaster Tools and paste the previously copied code into the field named Miscellaneous Verification. Click on Save Changes at the bottom of the page and go back to Google Analytics to see statistics about visitors to your site. For example, you can click on Reports and then on Real Time to see information about visitors currently on your site. You can also see other metrics about website visitors in the other sections, and it should help you gain a deeper insight about visitor actions on your website. Congrats! You've successfully completed this task. Let's move on to the next one. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.